What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a pretty huge package unboxing. Now I'm not sure exactly what this package is or what's inside, but what I do know is that it's very, very heavy. And the reason I know that is because I got a notification from UPS that there was a package coming yesterday. They didn't tell me what it was or who it was from, but they did say the package was 38 pounds. So it might not look like a 38-pound package to the eye, but it certainly feels like it. So why don't we bust this guy open and see what's inside. I shouldn't be lifting from my back, I should be lifting from my legs. It's a heavy box. So here it is, the giant box, and what I'm actually gonna do is move my chair because I usually sit while I'm unboxing stuff, but because this box is so tall, I'm just gonna stand up and do it. Seems like the right way to go. So I'm gonna use my Swiss Army knife to unbox this guy. The tape residue from other unboxings has kind of already started to destroy the blade. So this is purely an unboxing knife moving forward because, I mean, it's kind of useless for anything else. So like I said, I don't know what this box could be. I don't know what could be inside. The label that came on the box just had the name of a distribution company and not the name of a brand. So I'm very excited to see what we've got. So here we go. What? Corona, horns up, limes in. Official sponsor of the Texas Longhorns. What? Okay. Let's pull this guy out. Oh man, this is... not how it's gonna work. Oh my god. How am I gonna do this? I have no idea how I'm gonna open this box. Do I have to like rip the side? Hopefully there's no beer inside that's gonna spill. It sounds like something's spilling actually, now that I'm doing this. Is this a bad idea? Wow, this is a, okay, okay, so here we go. It looks like we have a giant cooler that has my name on it. That's awesome. I love when stuff is personalized. Makes it more personal, I guess. Let me pull off this plastic and see what we've got going on inside. There we go. I'm trying to squat because I'm not gonna be in frame if I like fully stand up. So if my height changes throughout the video, that's what's going on. Wow, this is not only a giant thing, but also a heavy thing. So this is actually a really nice Yeti Cooler. This is not like a cheap thing. I might actually use this for the beach or for when I'm drinking Corona at Texas Longhorn University. My friend went there. I don't know why. Is it just Texas? I don't know what the name of the university is, but my friend went there. Good friend of mine, best man in my wedding. And I can't remember the name of the university. That's not great for the video, is it? The Texas Longhorns football program is an intercollegiate team representing the University of Texas at Austin. University of Texas, I knew that. Totally knew that. Here we go. Let's bust this guy open. What? Whoa. It's almost like plastic diamonds. Plastic faux ice, I guess. And then inside, we've got what looks like, whoo, wow. We've got some Air Jordan 3s, boys. We've got some custom Air Jordan 3s. Is there anything else inside the cooler? Doesn't look like it. Oh wait, there's paper. These limited edition custom shoes were designed as prizes for the Corona Texas Longhorns Up sweepstakes in Texas and combine the best of both iconic brands. The base shoe was all white, then hand painted with pearlescent Pacific blue and lime green accents to represent Corona. Makes a lot of sense. The tongues were handmade with calf embroidered and burnt orange lambskin backing. To accent the shoe, I painted the midsole with sand texture paint to resemble the beach and coated the heel with a layer of Texas burnt orange. That's awesome. I love that. Enjoy the unboxing, and to ensure compliance with the FTC guidelines concerning the use of endorsements and testimonials, please disclose that this is a sneak peek from Corona to the upcoming Horns Up sweepstakes shoe and use 21 plus in your post. For more information on the shoe and the sweepstakes, direct your followers to Corona USA or my handle, JW Danklefs, to find out more. Cheers, Jake Danklefs and your friends at Corona Extra. Hashtag Horns Up sweepstakes. This is a 21 plus beverage, guys. You probably already know that, but just putting that out there, apparently for legal reasons. So thank you so much, Jake. Thank you so much, Corona, and thank you so much, Texas, and everyone involved. This is a sick package. So why don't we start looking at the shoes themselves, because that's why we're all here. Okay, we're back to normal. I'm back in my chair, and we've got the shoes. And these Air Jordan 3s, these custom Air Jordan 3s by Jake Danklef are so sick. So, as Jake said, these shoes are supposed to represent Corona and the University of Texas. And as you guys might know, I used to do custom sneakers. Nowhere near as good as this. This is like another level. This is nuts. But these are pretty solid looking sneakers. So you've got the Dank & Co. handmade tag right there, which is awesome. And the Corona Horns Up Limes In tag right here as well, which is a really sick look. As someone who's, you know, not a huge Horns fan, I still really like the way these shoes look, and you gotta respect them for doing a pretty awesome collaboration. So on the back of the sneaker, you've got the Longhorns and the Corona Crown logo, which is really nice. They actually removed the original Nike Air branding, or I don't know if it was the Nike Air or just the Jumpman branding, and stenciled that over top of it. I think that looks great. It's a really nice touch. I absolutely love the way that looks. Of course, these were based on a white Air Jordan 3 with a translucent outsole, which actually has a really nice look with this sneaker because it kind of goes with that Corona beach theme. It almost makes it look like it's sort of a cool ocean wave. So as you can see, the upper of the sneaker has this really nice ombre or fade effect. You've got this dark blue on the bottom and it fades up into this sort of green right here, which is obviously Corona's colors. I think that's done so nicely. It looks like it was airbrushed. And it was airbrushed very well. I love that. This is actually probably my favorite part of this shoe. I just love that effect. That's such a nice look. You've also got this really unique and cool sort of sand texture going on just below the water, which I don't actually know how he did that. It looks like he used some sort of grit paint or something and then sort of dabbed it with some different colors to make it look like sand. And I think that looks incredible. Oh man, these are so fresh. I just can't get over it. I love these. Let me take all this paper out and some of these remaining ice cubes here. So now that I've looked at the shoe a little bit more, I think I found my favorite detail, which is actually these embroidered logos on the tongue. And it looks like they also completely replaced the tongue with this really soft and plush leather. You've got the orange on the back for the Texas Longhorns colors, and then you've also got white in the front. You've got the Longhorns Longhorn on the left tongue, and then the Corona logo on the right tongue. I just really love this custom. I only have one other custom shoe in my collection at the moment. That's not true, three. I have 3 other custom shoes in my collection at the moment, but this one is definitely a front runner. This is just done so well, and I absolutely love it. You know what? I think the tongue is awesome, but I still think my favorite part is this fade on the midfoot. I think that's such a nice look. So as I mentioned, these were designed as the Corona Texas Longhorn Horns Up sweepstake prizes, and I've got to say, if you win a pair of these, you are very lucky because these are really nicely done. And actually, I'm very lucky because I have a pair of these. Huge thank you to Jake Danklef and Corona and the Texas Longhorns for this awesome pair of sneakers. I absolutely love it. These are really nicely done. I also love the box over there, or not the box, the cooler, which I probably am going to use on the beach. This whole package is so sick, and I also even love the plastic ice. I think that's just such a cool and interesting and different touch. And you know, I might even be able to make people think that these are real diamonds. I don't know why I said that. That was dumb. As always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. If it wasn't for you guys, I would never be getting really awesome packages like this, so I can't thank you guys enough. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this Corona and Texas Longhorn collaboration. I think it was done beautifully, and I absolutely love it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.